Okay, I'm going to show how to join pieces of TPU filament easily, very easily. All you need are your filament that you want to join, piece of Bowden tubing. I have a piece of Capricorn tubing here from when I upgraded my ender, and a heat gun. I'll show you how simple this is going to be. Okay. I got my heat gun on the lowest setting here, 430 degrees. I'm going to try and do this without melting my camera. So, this will be fun. First thing you're going to do, cut pieces flat. The joining ends. Whatever ends you want to join, make sure you cut them flat. Now you're going to take the Bowden tube, stick one end in about halfway through the tube, so it's about here, one end. You're going to take the other end you want to join, stick it in the other end. Now, hold it a little bit back, and you're going to lightly push in while you have it against the heat gun. Just going to lightly push in on both ends, and spin it just a little bit, just to make sure it heats up evenly all the way around. Once it starts melting, you'll actually feel it. The pieces start pushing into each other. And then after a couple of seconds, you want to hold tight one end and another end, just lightly spin it. Just so that way, spin it back and forth a little bit while pushing in, just to make sure it actually seats itself in place and welds. About a minute or so, you should be all set. Now you've got to let that cool for a few minutes. Just let it sit, let it cool, do its thing. I usually blow on it, but basically you're going to let it cool until the tube itself is not hot anymore, which could take a couple minutes. If you try to slide it through the tube too early, you're just going to stretch the filament. The whole point of using the Bowden tube here is so that way you end up with the same amount of filament, the same size width. Like if you started out at 1.75, it's going to be 1.75 even at the weld. Now as you can see, pull that off of there. Pieces have joined and they're strong, as you can see.